Hi, this is Silentsolution. Today we're another video RHCE. This is RedHat 9. First of all, we need to subscription. Must be subscription. We are already subscription. How to subscription this channel RHC playlist. You can see. I think how to subscription your and installation here is video. And also you can RedHat exam preparation. That is the silent solution RedHat and as cloud DevOps related video we can see, and I think your many idea. Yeah, here is. Let's go first of all today where how to installation our RedHat 9 is Ansible. Just where our subscription available see here. Our subscription here is just where see and click and this formation, the spool. Subscription. Just a minute or what? No. Where see? Depot. Here is where main repo here is just enable and enable here just URL just past here is enable this. Just a minute for watching. I think is enable this system. Now it's the installation. Just a minute to wait. No need Ansible, just here is a core. I think now installation is process ongoing. RedHat 8 is a Ansible is installation, but RedHat 9 is not just Ansible installation. It need to core attached here. I think our Ansible installation is done. Version Ansible version is 2.42 less. I think we're just today is our Ansible installation and see our configuration R Q C core and this configuration file just Q and cell version QL. Here is all module and serial. You can see next video where our how to pay book, how to add host, etc. Thanks for watching.